So this is going to be our trend momentum indicator walkthrough. This indicator is a bit different than all the others. It is designed with calculating the Fourier period, a volatility period, and a momentum threshold multiplier. And what it's aimed to do is get you in at the potential breakout and keep you in a trend as long as the momentum is trending in the right direction. It's essentially a mathematical based equation that goes on in the background of this. Essentially, when the momentum is greater or less than the volatility expansion, then you get a signal for a potential breakout to either the upside or the downside. This indicator is designed more as a swing-based indicator. Works particularly well on higher time frames like the daily or 4-hour chart. It's not really recommended to go below the 3-hour chart, just because it does start to get a little bit broken up. However, the one caveat being the 1-minute chart. If used for scalping, this can be an extremely profitable indicator. It's fairly simple to use, especially on a swing trade. When it's red, you signal to go short. When it's green, it's a signal to go long. However, as with all indicators, the caveat being it will not tell you that price is going to go in a certain direction. It's only an indication that it may go in a certain direction. So use some common sense and look at history to the left. A good example of this is this massive move here. If you look to the left and we draw a support and resistance box, and you can see we carry that across, came in, touched the support and resistance, and we've got our signal to go long here. And it's just a matter of hanging on until you get the exit signal. So as you can see, it's quite an accurate indicator, but again, base your entries off of multiple confluences and not just rely on a single indicator, because you will get stopped out occasionally. Like I said, 1 minute, great for scalping. 4-hour swing trade, get some nice profits. And the daily as well. Works particularly well on the daily if you've got patience to sit for days at a time. That's it.